There's a lot of reasons to sell, but only one to buy. So this transaction caught my attention, which is a DoorDash insider buy. John, I think this might be the first time we've ever talked about DoorDash on Market on Close.
Yeah.
But Alfred Lin, who sits on the DoorDash board of directors, and also he is a partner at Sequoia Capital. And if you haven't heard of Sequoia, they are one of the largest names in venture capital. He just bought $100 million worth of DoorDash, John. That's not a token investment. That is a confident purchase. So
Very confident purchase, yes.
does this make you confident enough to go and buy DoorDash yourself, John?
Yeah, I mean, I think the fact that it was $100 million trade really tells you something. Now, I actually looked this up, that the last time this individual bought was back in 2022, and they purchased around $87, and I think it ran up. Let me look at my notes. It went from like 70. It bottomed around $75 and then ran up to $130, which was about a 70% return. So I mean, you know, Thomas, I think the fact that this was a huge trade it really does give us permission to kind of start looking at this one for sure. And again, I'm looking at this from just a purely technical standpoint. Notice how, not too long ago, we're only talking about October 16th, this stock was trading $280. And I don't know why it fell. Maybe it missed some earnings. So it had a precipitous fall, but it fell 36%. But notice that in this comparison to the S&P, which is right on near all-time highs, it is starting to outperform the S&P. That's a positive sign. And, one of the things that we always love to talk about is the 200-day moving average. We've recaptured the 200-day moving average, and we're into a gap. So that means that we could probably rally up, and notice where our 50-day moving average is right on that gap. So, investing in this one, maybe, yeah. Certainly this would be a trade I would be looking at, buying it here just above the 200-day and look for that gap fill to the 50-day.